How to make money with test.io. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money with test.io. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open any of the search engine you have on your device. Go to the search bar and type in test.io and then press enter and you will be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to open test.io. So once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So over here, it would say code to value fast, and you can try test.io for free, and you can just head over and read some information about it. So if you wish to get a demo, you can simply click on get a demo. If not, you can simply click on become a tester. And once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this that says join our freelance testing community. So what basically happens is that the freelancers would, detect some bugs and fix them, and they will get paid for, fixing those bugs. So it says join our freelance testing community, and it says work from anywhere. You can work from anywhere on the globe. Test wherever you are, from a couch in your dome to a chair with beach views. That means it's totally flexible. There are no limitations according to the location. You can do from home or even office. It all depends on you. And you can earn extra money. So it is basically a side hustle, like your next big trip or your dream purchase, depends on it. So it just basically depends, like you don't have to, sit from 9 to 5 p.m. in order to do the job. You can basically just do it. If you're short of money or if you need some more money, some side hustles, you can just sign up for it and, test some bugs and everything. And you will be paid for whatever work you do. So it's not actually restricted to your time. And then we have test the latest apps, get an exclusive look at new apps from leading companies and innovative startups. So you can test the latest apps like before they're released into the market. They're going to take your help in order to, detect some bugs, and you're going to help them, and you can test the application before it is actually launched into the market. In that way, you'll know what is yet to come and in what way the market is facing towards right now and what is actually leading the market right now. And then we have expand your mind, that you can sharpen existing skills and learn new ones from our testing academy and community of testers. Now, let's suppose your knowledge is limited to some aspects that you have only studied. Now, if you wish to get more knowledge, obviously you need to work on them. So for example, if there is a bug and you take that you wish to fix that bug, so obviously you'll have to learn about that. So you'll research about that, you learn some new skills in order to fix that bug, and that expands your learning capabilities. And then when you scroll a bit down, it says from registration to testing in 5 steps. So first thing you're going to do is simply register. You're going to sign up using this and set up your devices. So I'm going to click on this over here, and once you do sign up and create an account, you be on board, and after you're approved, get onboarded through our library of testing resources. And after that, start testing and earning. You'll receive an invitation to your first test and will get paid from your first accepted bug or reproduction. And you can build your testing cred, get more invitations to test based on your device's skills and interest while you continuously learn. So obviously, if you're new to testing, you'll get smaller projects, but as you create your ranking and you rank good, then you'll climb up the ladder and you'll get more projects and you'll get more bugs to fix. And then at the number 5, you'll become a great tester. Keep testing the latest and greatest apps as you enjoy all the opportunities our community has to offer. And you can access resources and get prepped to test. Then you can just head over to Tester Academy and search about tester. Now, there are a few information about the freelancer testers. So let's just scroll down to the FAQs. So how often will I get invitations? So let us just read the answer. How often you get test invitations depend on the devices you have, the languages you can test in, and other factors. Most testers will get at least 5 opportunities every day to test. And then, can I choose tests to participate in? Yes, you can always choose to accept or decline a test with no penalty. Like if you don't wish to, participate in a test, you can simply decline it. What do I need to get started? You will need a PC and ideally a mobile device. To be paid, you will need either a PayPal account, an IBAN account, or an account with Scroll. Do I have to pay to register on the testio platform? You do not need to pay to register for the testio platform. You're here to earn money, not be charged money. So if you encounter anyone who tells you to pay to register for testio, you have found a scammer, please report that person to us over here. Now, if anyone is, mimicking being a testio person, or like if they're from their production team and they're asking you to, pay them some amount of money in order for you to be listed among the members of testio, and then you'll start earning, so that's totally a scam. There is no registration fees for testio. And how much can I earn? So how much you earn will depend on the tests you qualify for, the kinds of bugs you're able to find, and whether your findings are accepted by our customers as valid. The most lucrative bugs pay up to $50, and the most lucrative test cases often involve specific phones and locations. And when or how do I get paid? Payment is monthly. So that's a very good thing. There you get paid monthly, so it just depends on a specific day of the month that how many bucks you have fixed for till that day, and you can just take that money out of the platform. Now if you wish to create an account, so I'm just going to create an account using my Google account over here. So I'm going to link my Google account. I'm going to click on this over here and then click on continue. And once I do so, I'll be taken over to finish sign up test. And here, done. Okay, I'm going to click on this over here and then click on finish sign up. And here you can see that you can read terms and conditions. So just give it a read and then click on accept and continue. And the terms are accepted, so it needs to access these. So you're going to click on allow and continue. And once you do so, you'll be taken to the dashboard of testio. So this is mandatory onboarding modules available. So you can go to the learning portal. And once you do so, you'll be taken to the learning portal, and you can just, onboard modules and courses. So you can just learn about that, and you can see that these are locked right now. But you got to complete the advanced profile information and the courses in order to unlock these and, get opportunities. So here's the dashboard, like this is the dashboard over here, and you need to complete some courses in order to unlock these first. And just let us go over to the ranking, and here you can see that right now I have 0 points, but the top one right now is this one, that is AV Master. So this is the global top ranking with how many points they have, and there are people with many points. So over here, let's head over to this account over here and see about their profile. They have a level 1 copper, level 2 bronze, and level 3 silver, level 4 gold, and level 5 diamonds. Okay, so this is their activity, and they have fixed like 8842 approved bugs. So if they are, they're getting $5 per bucks. So let us just go over and calculate that how much have they made from this website. So if they're getting $5 per bug, so let's just multiply it by 8842. So it's just an estimate. They're not actually getting paid $5. It can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 50. And then just see, like, they have made that much dollars. Now, if we make it they can make it like $50 per bug. So we're going to multiply it with 50, and you can see they have made this amount of money, that is $400. So that's a great amount of money. So you can just head over and create an account on test.io, take some courses, and fix bugs and earn. So that is basically how you can earn using test.io. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.